negative and positive are going to be porous because they have to be able to observe the ion in order to be charged or discharged. Therefore, they have to have a construction which is like porous construction. I'm going to show it in a video. But before that, generally why we are going to choose lithium ion batteries over any other type of battery for electric or hybrid electric vehicle application. The reason behind it, the main reason is lithium ion battery has high specific energy. Remember, for the previous type, for example, right in here, for the nickel metal hybrid, I said they can have almost like only up to 1.2 volt per cell. Therefore, if I'm going to use them for vehicle application, I have to have so many of them, which is causing you to have a huge battery pack, right? Therefore, these are not the best option for electric vehicle, but still we can use them for hybrid electric vehicle. Why is that? Because when we use them for hybrid electric vehicle, they are going to be a secondary source of energy. Still, we do have combustion engine in hybrid electric vehicle, so the main source is not going to be the battery. These are temporary source or maybe secondary source for the energy inside the hybrid electric vehicle. Therefore, still we can have them. But when it comes to electric vehicle, lithium ion is the best type, because look at here, see, it's almost 3 times. So it's really a specific energy is higher than that. The voltage, providing the voltage is really higher than that. That one was almost 1.2, but this is 3.6. Different type, regardless of what's the material for the positive and negative. Still, lithium ion batteries, they have the potential to be fast discharge or fast charge without less, I would say, trouble. Also, lithium ion battery, also they do have the concern to like go through the explosion because of the very sensitive to high temperature, and they can cause, for example, fire because of like a speed of chemical reaction inside the battery. But still, they do have high specific energy, and then at high temperature, they can still have a great performance if we are considering all the conditions. And definitely, this is super important. If they are sitting on the side and you are not using them for a while, the range of or the rate of self-discharge in lithium ion batteries is lower than other batteries. While, for example, for